Hello everyone, and welcome to Green Gold Database Academy. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to install PostgreSQL 17 on Windows operating system. PostgreSQL is one of the most powerful open-source databases out there, and if you're working in database management or development, this tutorial is perfect for you. So, stay with me till the end, and let's get started. Alright, let's jump into the installation process. We'll be installing PostgreSQL 17 on Oracle Windows operating system, and I'll guide you through each step. Open your favorite web browser with search engine. Search text, download PostgreSQL for Windows. Click on Download the installer. Download PostgreSQL version 17.2 for Windows x86-64. Download of PostgreSQL started. Download is complete now. Double-click on Installer to start the installation. Click on Next. Select Installation Directory. And click on Next. Select your required components. PostgreSQL Server is for installing database server. pgAdmin is for installing graphical user interface tool that is a popular open-source administration and management tool for PostgreSQL databases. Stack Builder is an optional tool. It helps users to manage PostgreSQL installation by downloading and installing additional components, tools, and drivers. Command line tools includes psql, pg_ctl, pg_dump, pg_restore, created, and some more. Click on Next. Select Data Directory. Data Directory is the location where the database server stores its data files, configuration files, and transaction logs. Enter password for super user Postgres. And click on Next. Select 543 port number where server will listen. Select Default Locate and click on Next. Pre-installation summary is shown here based upon your selections in previous steps. Click on Next. Click on Next. Installation of PostgreSQL Server started. Installation of PostgreSQL has been completed. Select the checkbox and click on Finish. Now additional software will be installed through Stack Builder. Select PostgreSQL instance and click on Next. Select your required utilities and database drivers. pgAgent is a job scheduling agent for PostgreSQL. It allows you to automate repetitive database tasks, such as running SQL scripts, backups, or maintenance operations, on a predefined schedule. Suppose we want to take backup of our database every night at 2 a.m. We can use pgAgent to schedule a backup job. So, backup will be taken every night automatically. PostgreSQL is an open-source .NET data provider for PostgreSQL. It allows applications built on the .NET framework like C#, VB.NET, or F# to interact with PostgreSQL databases. pgJDBC is the official Java database connectivity (JDBC) driver for connecting Java applications to a PostgreSQL database. It enables Java programs to interact with PostgreSQL databases using standard JDBC API calls. Choose a download directory. Downloading of applications started. All the installation files have been downloaded. Click on Next without checking. pgSQL will be installed now. Click on Next. Select Installation Directory for pgSQL. Click Next. Installation of pgSQL started. Installation of pgSQL has completed. Click on Finish. pgAgent will be installed now. Click Next. Click Next. Enter detail of operating system account under which pgAgent will run. pgAgent is being installed. Installation pgAgent has completed. Click on Finish. pgJDBC will be installed now. Click Next. Select Installation Directory pgJDBC. Click Next. Click Next. Installation of pgJDBC has completed. Click on Finish. Click Next. Click Next. Select Installation Directory pgODBC. pgODBC will be installed now. Installation of pgODBC has completed. Click on Finish. Installation of all selected packages has completed. Click on Finish. Congratulations! Installation is complete now. Let's start exploring pgAdmin. Open pgAdmin. Click on PostgreSQL 17 server. Enter password of super user Postgres that you mentioned during installation. Click on Tool menu and select Query Tool. Here you will be able to write and execute your SQL queries. Create new database. Right-click on Databases and click on Refresh. Tree will be refreshed and show your newly created database. Select your new database and click on Tool menu and select Query Tool. This query will show your connected database. Create table. Insert some rows. Select some data from table. That's it for today's video. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you successfully install PostgreSQL 17 on Windows operating system. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends or colleagues who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any new tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.